Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to push your project to your GitHub account using drag and drop. So let's start. First of all, go to your GitHub account. Here my GitHub account is opened. So first of all, here click on create new repository and here give your repository name like your project name. So my project name is temperature converter. See here a warning is showing the repository temperature converter already exists on this account. So we will use another name like currency temperature converter underscore converter already exists. Okay, no problem. I will use another project. So here first I see my projects. How many projects I have completed? So here I think this project is not uploaded on my GitHub account, e-voting system. So I will use e-voting system. See, this name is available and simply take the add a readme file and click on create repository. So after creating the repository, simply open your project and minimize it. Okay, simply drag and drop here and here you can also add an optional extended description, means about your project, what in which language you have developed this project. So you can give you a short description about it, but here you can see the project is not uploaded here. So simply uploading 1 of 2 files. You can see here uploading 2 of 2 files completed. So here I will give a short description about my project. This project is developed using HTML in this project you can choose a party name of your desired candidate, etc. and simply click on commit changes. Here processing your files and see your project is successfully uploaded on your GitHub account. Simply click on it and you can see the HTML file is uploaded. See here your HTML file. Okay, so I hope you will find this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much.